Okay guys, in the previous video, the last one we talked about is the replace color, right? So in this episode, we're gonna start with the fill row. Rush here first and right click the icon. From here, you can switch, to rows or column, depends on you. Press OK. Now I'm just gonna change to another color. You can click subject and you got columns. When the next one got breakdown, click it and I'm just gonna select a huge space. That is okay. Now right click the icon. From here, actually we have two ways, the conventional ways and gradual change ways. Let's have conventional one first. Click and press OK. And click on the selection box. And the spray effect will show up. And show you the next way. Turn it back. Right click. Click this one. And then this one is actually the density of the start point. And this one is the density of the final point. And the density will gradually change, from the start to the end. And 1 bit spots from the start, so 20% I think it's okay. And I want a bit thicker, at the end. So 90% is good. And if you want to have more colors, you can add the codes right here. 10. And right here we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10. And 5 colors will show up, and they will mix together. Press OK. And actually I want to spray, from the top to the bottom, so the direction will be, from top to the bottom, right? So it will be a bit sparse from the start and a bit thicker at the end. So I set a start point and set the final point. Right here, the sparse has to be down. See, it's a bit sparse, at the top, right? And a bit thicker, we can see it at the bottom. And next one, model size I've explained, so switch to another one. Insert rows. Before explaining that, I'm just gonna draw two patterns with many strips on it. So the first one, I'm just gonna have transverse strips. And copy it. And the next one, I'm just gonna have longitudinal strips. Okay, and click this one. Click pattern, and one more row will be added based on this row. And you can have more if you click more. And now press CTRL on the keyboard and type in the number that you like to add, 20. And now do it again. And 20 rows will be added at one time. And next one, insert column. It's actually kind of the same. And right here we add 20 additional columns at one time. And not only does this shape have been changed, but the below one as well. And next one, insert empty rows, just insert empty row. Insert empty columns and delete rows, delete 20 rows, delete, and next one, delete 20 columns, and that's it. From this one to this one, define the fast count like the same. Draw a rectangle first. Click this one. Change to another color. Click it. Frame first. Click it. Yeah. Right here we got left border and click this one. Right border. Turn it back. Upper border. Bottom. Lower border, and to closure the whole rectangle. That's it. And that's when it got erased. Click this icon and click on the canvas. The whole patterns will disappear. It's kind of really two clean patterns on canvas, right? And letting you just turn it back. Okay, and we got patterns right here. But right now, let's just frame this rectangle first, and click erase again, and click in the selection box. The pattern on the selection box will disappear if you click inside the selection box. And let me just turn it back and click outside the selection box, and the pattern outside the selection box will disappear on the canvas. And that's it. Let's turn to the next one. Rotate. Let me draw a straight line first. And frame this one and click the icon. We got direction here and the center points right here. Something like that, you just confirm and it will rotate, right? And let's turn to the next one. Stretch. So first, frame rectangle, and click the icon, and click the pattern again. Right now, the size of this rectangle, will show up in this box. New weights we got 28 grades, and heights we got 16 grades. If you want longer, add in numbers here, and border add numbers here, and keep original aspect ratio, like the word. So have a try by yourself. And next icon, the shadow one, and we have to explain it another way. So let's go. And guys, to let you know how it works, let me have a demonstration. Let us suppose the rays from this light shines on the right side of this Rubik's cube. And now the right side is green, right? When the white rays is on the green side, this kind of situation is really like the shadow things in the software. And the light shines rays, from the right side to the left side. And the right side, the green side, it's kind of like, the basic color in the software. And the rays is actually, it's kind of like the shadow. And we know the basic color and shadow color right now. So let's have a try in the software. Now I have a rectangle, with the green color on the right side, right? So frame the rectangle first and click the shadow icon. Click the selection box again. New box show up, and we choose number 2 as the basic color, right? And the shadow water is a ray from the light, right? So I'm just gonna type in 8. That's right. And in the demonstration, the rays shines from the right side to the left. So we're just gonna have this one from right side to the left. So let's do it. And now we can see, the outer space is white, right? And there are many advanced usages I'm going to explain in the future. The override color or the total invert, these sort of things. Okay, let's move to the next. Clear color lump. So click it and click it on the pattern. You can see the piece of colors disappear, right? And let me draw a regular rectangle first. And there are some objects. We got a regular one and a rectangle one right here, right? So use this icon, click this one, and click the regular one first. And the function is just like the slashing operation box. And you can click here. This one has been selected, and this one has been selected. You can just click on the subject you like to select. And next one, erase. Yeah, it's kind of useless. Erase just like that. You just press the left click on your mouse and draw it. And we got last one, irregular slashing box. And click here to set the base point, and one more click, it will change the shapes of the closure. Like that. If the object has irregular, I think this icon is better than the slashing operation box, right? Okay, we got double click, and the shape has been closed. And I leave assignments in the previous video, right? If you didn't make it, let's have it down in this episode. And now let's find minimal circulation first. And the base point, I want to start from here. I think just spot would be easy to recognize. From this to this grade, and after this grade, the pattern will circle again, right? Press K, yeah, it circulates. So transfer circulation has been set. We got 6th grade, and let's do the longitudinal one. Start from the same base point. So from the base point, we need to find 2 green grades, and above the 2 green grades, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red grades. So from this base point to the final spot, and it will circulate. So we got circulation pattern. 6 multiplied 12. So let's frame that size and frame the circulation pattern. 6 multiplied 12. Okay, we got it. Click again and press K and spread it. And the pattern didn't change, right? So we copy it on the right side and spread it. Let's move to the second one. I think this one is a bit easier than the first, right? So let's set base point first. I think this one's better. Clicking the circulation on the row, we got 4, and it will repeat again. And on the column, from here to here, I think, and it will repeat again. And the size of the circulation pattern will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the size will be 4 multiplied 7. And let's just try it on this pattern. So now we copy it on the right side and spread it. We got exactly the same, right? So move to the third one, and the transverse circulation from here to here, 9. So the size of the circulation pattern will be 11 multiplied 9. Try it on this pattern, and it doesn't change. Now let's just copy it and move to the right side and spread it. So now let's go to the final one. For this one, the circulation pattern has been set in the middle, right? So now we just locate the base point of the pattern, and let's just check the left one. I prefer to recognize this grid as the base point because it's kind of easy, you know, to locate on the pattern. And let's see how far is it from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The base point is actually situated on the 6 rows on this column, right? So now we have know the location of the base point, and now just find the circulation pattern and click here because this one is the base point, right? So right click, copy, and fill copy, and set the base point on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here, right? And click. See, and we could see the pattern is identical. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. If you want to be agent for selling flat knitting machine or just want to purchase machines for the done things, just friend me in WhatsApp, and I'll see you in next video. Peace out, guys.